Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this smoked turkey and fish okra soup. This is a very simple but delicious recipe, so I hope you enjoy it. Now let's get into the ingredients. Check the description for all the ingredients I use on all my recipes, okay? So I'm going to be using fresh shrimps, some blended pepper, that is bell pepper, turkey and meat, palm oil, mackerel fish, pepper cubes, salt. So like I said, check the description, okay? So I'm going to season the turkey and the meat with some salt, onion and the cube. Add a little bit of water and allow them to cook. So as you can see, the meat is cooking. They are cooking very well. Now I'm going to add the fish inside and allow the fish to cook for about 5 minutes. I will take the fish out of the meat because I don't want to allow it to stay for a long time. So after adding the pepper, this is bell pepper and onion mixture, okay? So go ahead and blend your own. After adding them, I'm going to remove the fish now and allow that to cook down more. So as you can see here, the fish is not anymore in the pot. I throw in my scotch bonnet pepper because I will be removing it later, but you can blend all if you want. So after 10 minutes of cooking that, I'm going to add my shrimps. As you can see, give them a quick stir, okay? So after stirring them, I'm going to allow them to boil again. And now I'm adding my bitter leaf, frozen bitter leaf inside. If you don't have bitter leaf, go ahead and skip this step, okay? It's not a problem at all. So I'm going to stir everything well, and so I'm going to allow them to boil before adding the okra. So guys, here it is, and I'm using frozen okra, okay? You can, if you have fresh one, make sure you are adding them at the last moment, okay? So I'm giving them a quick stir, and I'm going to throw in my frozen okra into the pot. As you can see, the okra is, I just took them out of the freezer. Now I'm going to just cover the pot and allow the heat to melt the okra. If you have fresh okra, you don't have to go through this process, okay? So there I'm just pressing the okra down to make sure that it's defrosting very well. But you can actually defrost them first before adding them into your soup, but I just love them to be that fresh, to keep that color, that green color. This is why I took them out and add them into the soup directly. Okay, so as you can see, the okra is well defrosted. I'm giving everything a quick stir. After stirring them, I'm going to be adding my spinach. So you can add any vegetable of your choice inside this soup, okay? I'm using spinach and bitter leaf, and if you have bitter leaf, I urge you to try adding the bitter leaf inside. You will love it. So after adding the spinach, I'm going to give everything a good stir to make sure that everything is well combined. Then I will turn off the heat and allow the heat to cook it. And before then, I just added the fish back into the soup. The fish is already pre-cooked, so I just put the heat on there and allow them to just 2 minutes is enough over the heat. Then stir them and turn off your heat and allow the heat that comes from the soup to cook the spinach. But if you want to cook them more time, is your choice, okay? For me, I don't like to overcook my okra or spinach when I'm using them. It depends on the time you love to cook yours. So guys, the soup is cooked and is very delicious. You need to give this a try. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, please subscribe, share and like, and I will see you all in my next video. God bless you. Bye.